Welcome to my channel. So today I'll be going to show you guys how you can create a password reset disk in case you forget your computer password. First of all, just insert the USB drive to your computer, then click on the start, then type control panel. Then from the control panel tab, look for the user account tab, click on that. From user account tab, then look for the option where it says create a password reset disk. Click on that. Then this page will pops up, click next. Then from here, just make sure select your USB drive name, next. Then type a password. So here you need to type the current your PC password, whatever password you set it up for your PC. So after that, click on next, and this option will pops up. Say yes. Allow the system a few seconds to process. So it's completed. Say finish. Okay, now we are going to insert the USB that we created here. You see we forgot the password and we are not able to log into the computer. So what you need to do, insert the USB, the one we created earlier. Then after that, click on the reset password. So from here, go all the way down and look for the option where it says use a password reset disk. Click on that. Next, select your USB. Next, then here type a new password. For example, I'm going to type another password. So now you're going back up here and type the new password. You just put it there and click, and here you go. Please, if you like the video, like and subscribe my channel.